Hi girls, I'm going to explain again about the APA format, which was week 5 lesson, but I think it's a good idea to review this. This is what the instructions will look like for your test, and you will access this document and you have to make changes so that it's APA format. There will be a title, so something like so you must attend all of these things. The first thing is to check all of the font, the size, and the italics. Sorry, all the font and the size. So our font we know must be Times New Roman, but this is actually Arial and the size is 11. So the first thing we need to do is to highlight everything and change to the font size 12 and Times New Roman. Okay. The second thing that I suggest to look at is the title. Each word must be capitalized. So the easiest way to do this is highlight and capitalize by going to this one, large A, small a, capitalize each word. Now, the only thing is, little small words do not get capitalized unless they are the first word of the sentence. Then the normal rule for capital letters will apply. So here we have our document. So I'll put this in bold. Next, I suggest to look at the margins for the first line and the title. So this one must be centralized, and this one requires one click on a tab key like that, or if you don't have a tab, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Also, to make sure, the next step is space between the title and the paragraph. So this one should be 2 spaces. To hit the return key 2 times. The next thing, if there is any bold, so let's imagine this is highlighted, this is bold. Sometimes students do this, or maybe they like a little bit of color. So all of these have to be removed. So in academic work for university, none of this is suitable for submission of an item on an exam or a quiz or even an assignment. So the first thing is to change the colors to black. So color, black, no highlight, no bold, no underline, no italics. Italics is when something is, going in this direction. So to change this, what you need to do is to highlight the area again and go to no color and highlight this area and go to no italics. This one will be highlighted if there is an italics. So remove this one, back to normal. And this one, same. When you click on the home, you will see that both bold and underline is highlighted. This needs to be removed. Okay. Now the final thing you need to do is to do double spacing. And again, I showed you this on the video in the lesson. So again, you must highlight. So for every change, you need to highlight only the paragraph, not the title. Okay. And then go to this one. It has a double arrow. It's a line and paragraph spacing. And that changes to 2. Okay, and this is how it looks when you submit your document. Okay, thank you for watching. I will email the original and the corrected version so that you get a chance to practice. Thank you.